Today's idiom is the early bird gets the worm. The early bird gets the worm. Here's an example.
Good morning, Jerry. You're here early again.
Yes, of course. I like to get here early and start to review. Today we'll have a pop quiz, remember?
What do you mean? We don't even have a single pop quiz.
Maybe if you got here before the bell, you know.
Oh my days. I forgot about it. I was watching the drama and I hit snooze 5 times this morning.
See, what can I say? The early bird gets the worm.
Okay, chill. Stop talking about the bird stuff.
He means since he came early and prepared, he's going to do well on the quiz, and you might not.
Okay, message received. I'll start being the early bird, or at least the less late bird.
The person who prepares and starts early will more likely to be succeed. That's why the early bird gets a worm.
Attention, repeat after me. The early bird gets the worm. The early bird gets the worm. Thank you for your attention.